Alright, welcome back guys to another episode of this tutorial where I'll be showing you how you can make beautiful and then attractive flyer for your affiliate marketing business. This is one advantage you have in order to save up money for other things, because you'll be learning how you can create flyers for your adverts, for your content creation, for your webinar class, for anything at all that has to do with promoting your offer in affiliate marketing or any digital business entirely. So instead of paying someone to create a flyer for you, you can do it by yourself. So what I'll be showing you quickly is how you can design an attractive flyer for your business. So without further ado, what you need to do is head straight to your Play Store if you're using Android, and then to your Apple Store, to your App Store if you're using iPhone, and then search for PixelLab. You search for PixelLab, download it, and once it's done, you open the app. This is the app right here, so I'll be clicking on the app. It's open up just like this, okay? It's open up just like this, and then you won't be seeing this because this is the previous job I did. This is the previous job I did. So I would open new file. Let me just close it and then open another file. So exactly the way you'll be seeing it. Okay, so this is how you'll be seeing it once you open your the app you just downloaded. So what we want to do is, this video might be a little bit tricky or confusing. It's not technical at all. I just want you to pay maximum attention so that you can learn how to do this for yourself. So what you need to do first is to delete this thing you are seeing, this new text. Delete it. How do you delete it? You see a waste bin icon, the delete icon up left here. Just tap on it to delete and you click OK. So once you are done, the next thing you want to do is to resize your interface. Now, this interface is in 1x1, which is what we'll be using. But I will show you how to resize your interface in case you want to design a different size. Please, if you are hearing the background noise of a dog barking, it's just the dog of my neighbor. Please don't be distracted. I hope you can hear me sound and clear. All right, so you just have to click on these three dots up here. You click on the three dots up here, and then you click on image size, number 5 option. You click on image size, then it will take you to this particular place. What we want to do is this width, just edit it to 1, and then the height, also edit it to 1. We'll be using feet for the measurement so that you can get it easily. So this is 1x1 feet. If you want to use a square, it will be 1x1. The width and the height will be equal. But if you want to use a different size, if you want it to be taller, then the height will be more than the width. If you want it to be wider, then the width will be more than the height. But for the purpose of this video, the normal size for a flyer is 1x1. So we'll be using 1x1. Just click OK, and then you see it there. What I'll be using in this particular tutorial is to bring in a design that I already made, okay? Then we'll replicate it. We'll be doing the replicant of the what's it called? We'll be doing the replica of the same design, okay, so that you can see how it is done. So you can just apply the same principle if you want to create any other design. So you can import, you can either import, maybe you see a design online that you like and you would love to have one for yourself. Just save the video and then come to PixelLab, import it, and then start creating. Or if you have your concept in your head, just come here and start creating. So what I'll do next is to go to my phone gallery. How do I go there? Is come to this third icon down here, this one at the middle. Just click on it and you see import, the second option here. Just tap on import, and then you click on album. Let me just click that and then browse so that I can go to my full screen. Okay, just go to my gallery right here and go to album. So let me look for okay, let's use something like this. All right, so let's use something like this. I'll just click on the mark icon here. If you want to crop the image, you can just move it like this. As you can see, just crop it anyhow. Once you are done, click on the mark icon down here. Just click on it to import it. So what you want to do next is to resize it so that it doesn't cover the whole of your interface, okay? Once you're done with that, then you want to start with the background. This background, if you check it well, you will see that it's not a plain background. Can you see? It is not a plain background. So what you can basically do is just go to Google and then type, you describe the background. Go to Google or go to ChatGPT. You describe the kind of background you want. It will bring it out for you. Save the image, and then once you are done, you come back here, import the image the same way we imported this image right now. You import the image and then you set it as your background. So for the purpose of this video, I'll just be using a random background to save our time so that the video don't get too long. So to use background, we'll click on this shape. You can see shape right here. You click on shape and then you resize to fill the whole screen, as you can see. Then you click on mark. Once you mark it here, the next thing you want to do is to click on this the last icon below, the last icon at the end of the second line up here. Click on it, and then you click on this padlock in front of the background. The meaning is that we don't want to edit it. We don't want it to be moved around in case we touch it mistakenly. We don't want to change anything. So once you lock a feature, it is fixed. You understand? It is fixed. So once that is done, you want to move this image that you imported. You want to move it up. Just click on this 6 or 9 dots here. Just drag it up like this. You move it up so that you can start seeing it again. You can see. So what you want to do next is to go to the next thing. But before that, let me show you how you can change the color of your background in case you don't want to use white. Go back to background. Just tap on background here. Just tap on it. Don't leave the padlock. Let it be locked. Just click on the white background. Just tap on it, and then you go back to the interface. So you scroll down here. You can see the way I'm scrolling. You scroll and look for colors. You can see color. Tap on color, enable it. You can see that the color change. Just scroll down. You will see several colors that you can use here. So as you are changing the color is changing. As you are changing the color is changing. So we'll be using white. Just mark it, and then we are done. So the next thing we want to do is let's reduce this one so that we can see it. Okay, TikTok influence and strategies. Okay, what you want to do is look for test. This is test spots down here. You can see this capital letter A. Tap on it, and then you click on text, edit, delete this one that is here, then your cap lock, then you input your text, TikTok influence and strategy. If I'm right, strategy. I'm not sure. TikTok influence and strategy. Okay, let me go back to that. The and is in front of influence. All right, TikTok influence and strategy. So what we want to do now, you can see that the text is black. The same process. Let's go and look for color. You can see color. Click on color, and then you scroll. If you choose red, your font changes to red. You choose any color, it changes to it. So let's look for black. Now we are done with the color. But you can see that the font is bolder, is thick from here. So what you can do is just scroll forward and then look for style. You can see style right here. Just click on style, and then you click on this B. The B stands for bold. You can see that it's bolder now. You click on mark, and then if you want to change the font, just go to fonts right here. You click on font, then you choose any font you want. Let's look for one that is bold. Let's say this. If you choose this, you can see it. 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 So let's say we just go with let's go with this. Okay, and let's remove the bold because it's too bold. All right. So let's mark it, bam, and then we are done. What you have to do next is just resize it. Let me move this one away so that we can see what we are doing. You just resize it and then move it to this particular direction where the ad is. Once you are done, tap on this place and then lock it. You can see that we keep locking immediately we are done so that we don't mistakenly move the object. You understand? Just lock it right there. So the next thing we want to do is there is a particular icon. You can see it, this circle icon here. So we want to also replicate something like that. So in case it might be your brand logo, your whatever, if it's an image that is already on your phone, just go to this place, go to import and import it. But if not, just come to shape. Let's just replicate something like that. So this shape, you can see this arrow that is pointing down behind this square shape down here. Just tap on it, and then you click the shape you want, circle. You can scroll down. You can scroll down to select color. So let's select green. Let's select green. Okay. Let's select green, and then let me show you something very quickly. If you want to choose, let me show you something. This, you will see that this green that they use is deeper than the green that we used here. If you want to choose the exact color that they used in a flyer that you want to use, what you need to do is you tap on your color like this, and then you come to color. You can see color right here. You come to color, you enable it, you scroll up, you now click this plus icon. This plus icon that is here, you click on the plus icon, it will open up this page. Then you want to click on this ink. This, you can see in front of this FF000 colon bracket blah 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 blah. Then there are two icons. The first one that look like an injection, you click on it, then it opens up the flyer. You tap on the flyer, it opens up like this. Then you select the part that you want to choose the color. So if I want to choose the color of the lady's clothes, I will tap on the clothes. If I want to choose the color of the circle that we are doing, I will tap on the circle. If I want to choose the color of the background for discover how organic traffic boost beats running ad. I will tap anything you want to choose the color here, just tap on it. So we want to choose the exact color they use for the circle. I'll tap on the circle right here. You can see that the color has changed. Then you click on mark up here. You click on mark and then you click on OK. Can you see that the color is the same thing? The color is the same thing. Just click on mark here and then you are done. Just resize it to the size and then move it to the location. Okay, what next? Lock it. Lock it. Now let's move very fast. This video is practical, so just pay attention and watch very closely. Watch very closely. So the next thing you want to do is, I might not be able to run through everything because the process is the same. Let me import an image. If you want to use an image, it's the same process, import. So you just click on import. Let's bring image. Let me use my image. Okay, make sure the image, the background has been removed. This one is PNG, there's no background. Just tap on it, okay, and then you move it to wherever you want to use the image. So let's say we want to use the image right here. I'll just place the image somewhere around here, and once that is done, I'll lock it. Lock the image. Okay, what's the next thing we want to do? Okay, let me show you how to create a curve edge icon, a curve edge shape like the one you are seeing here. You can see the background of this discover how organic beats. The edge of the background is curve, the one below is curve. You can see. So let me show you how to create a curve edge. What you need to do is tap on shape. Once you pick your shape, this is shape. Let me change the color so that you can see the editing very fast. All right, you can see the shape right there, and then you can see that the edges are sharp. All you have to do is just scroll down, okay, look for radius. You can see radius. Okay, it's the first one up. Radius, increase the radius. Can you see the edges? Once you increase the radius, the edges will curve. Can you see? So just put it around 15, I think. Yeah, I think this is cool. 15, depending on how you want it though. You can put it at 20 if you want it like that. So let's just put it at, okay, let's leave it at 20, then mark. You can see it, the edges are sharp. So let's just resize it, increase it here, and then we just place it somewhere around here. Now let's go and select the exact color they use for that particular place. Let me copy this one first. If you don't want to stress yourself by creating, if you see that, oh, this image I will need it like 2-3 times, just copy it. Copy, okay, copy another one. I've copied it 3 times. So this particular one, I want to change the color. I'll go to color, open color, come to plus, come to this injection button, click on the flyer, and then select this background and then mark it. Click OK. You can see the color right there. So I'll lock this one. I'll lock it, and then this second one is where, okay, that one is smaller. I'll just resize it. That one is below the TikTok whatever. Let me reduce the curve. The curve is too much here. Okay, so let me just increase it a bit, bring it down. I think this one goes back. So you just have to look at how the design is being arranged and stuff like that. So I'll just move this one up. You can see the navigation tool that I'm using. I'll just move that one up. And then the next thing, you can see that the image, let me show you. If I tap on the flyer and then I click on to front, down here to front, it comes up. You can see that the first icon is resting on the lady's chest, is resting on the image, while the first one is behind his head. So what you need to do now, you can see that our one is not like that because the first one is on my head. What you need to do is click on my image. Just click on my image and then tap on to front. You can see to front. Tap on to front. The image has come up. Then you tap on the other light green also, which is this. You tap on to front also. You tap on to front. Then you tap on the flyer to bring it back up. You tap on to front also. So anything you want to bring up, you put it at to front. So you can see that is exactly the same thing. The green is behind my head and the second one is resting on my chest. So after that, let's just copy this green. I think we have copy. No, not this one. Delete. I think we have copy. We have this green. We have this green down here again. We have the green down here again. So the process is basically the same thing so that this video doesn't get too long. We have this green right here again. You can also come here to just bring this one down, because you see that it's now, you take it below the image, you leave it there, so it will take the image down, it will take the picture below my image. As you can see, it will take it below my image. Let me increase my image size so that, let me just, it will deform if I drag it like this. The right way to drag so that it won't deform is to pick it from the angle like this. So let me just pick it from here and just keep it like this. Let me keep it like this, and then I'll lock it back. All right, so it's basically the same thing. You see, we've been creating the something with me. So the text, let me just copy the text, this text, assuming is our main text. I'll just copy it, copy, and then I'll move it here, assuming it's the same thing we want to put. Move it there. If I want to adjust it, I'll click on text, I'll click on edit and change the words. Okay, so let's just save that, assuming is the one we want to use. Let me copy and then drag another one here. Let's just say it's the same words that we are using. Move it here. I'll just change the color. Let me say white, or this, just change the color. You understand what I'm doing? I don't want to waste time because the process are the same thing. So after all these are being done, just check if you are true. So this, for example, this TikTok icon here, all you have to do is to download TikTok icon, import it and place it here. Okay, the next thing, all this location, calendar, Twitter icon, this checkbox here, anything, any special effect you see, any special image you see, just download the icon and then import it on your flyer, and then within 5 to 10 minutes you are done. Okay, we are not done with this flyer and then it's already looking nice. It's already looking nice. So this is exactly how to create a flyer. I wouldn't want this video to be too long. That is why I'm rushing it this way. But if you can just be creative and smart, you will get it very simple. So I would advise you to watch this video like 2 or 3 times and then practice so that you can understand how it is done. Don't just assume, oh, I've watched the video and then I know it. Practice and make sure you understand very well how it is done. Alright, so once your design is done, once you are done editing everything, what you have to do to save your image, just tap on these 3 dots up here, just tap on it, and then once you are done, you click on this icon in front of this plus icon that looks like a SIM card, like a memory card. You just tap on it, you click on save project. If you want to name your ad, your design, just so that if you close your PixelLab and then you come back, you can go back to the design. You want to save it in PixelLab, you just click on save project and then you name it whatever. Let's just say ASAP. Just name it ASAP. Okay, you click on OK. I don't want to save this one, but if you are done entering the name, just click on OK. Okay, I'll just cancel this. So once you are done saving the name in PixelLab and then you click on the icon again, you now click on save as image. You click on save as image. This custom, you select the custom and then you change it to I or very I. Either of the two, either I or very I. You save or click on it and then you click on save to gallery. Once it's saved, the picture will download to your phone, and that's all. So I'll be seeing you on the next module, guys. Stay tuned and practice on the go.